In today's video, we're going to talk about headings 1, 2, and 3, and references. How to set up headings 1, 2, and 3 in APA 7th edition. This is an example of heading number 1. This is an example of heading number 2 and number 3. Note that each one is indented because 3 is a sub of 2 and 2 is a sub of 1. So how did I set this up? So under the Home tab, headings 1, 2, and 3. Let's go down to the body of the paper. I already have it kind of set up for you. Let's highlight this. Heading number 1. Right-click, modify. If you have an Apple, is double-click modify. Heading number 1. For this video, I will be using Times New Roman 12. I want to hit the bold button, change the color to automatic. If you see blue in here, that means you haven't set it up yet, so automatic. And I want to center it. So if you notice that it went to the center, and you also have the default settings down here. Okay. Go on to the next one. I want to change this to heading number 2. Right-click, modify. Heading number 2, again, Times New Roman 12. I want this left justified. Let's change to a bold and automatic. And let's do this one for number 3. Heading number 3. Right-click, modify, Times New Roman, bold, but I also want to hit the italic button and automatic and left justified. Again, the default settings are located right here, italic and OK. So let's go up to the table of contents, update. And I want to change every time you update, you have to change it back to the font size. And again, Times New Roman 12. How to set up headings 1, 2, and 3 in APA 7. Now let's go down to the reference or your reference page. You want a page dedicated just to your references. References, bold, and centered, as shown. For my citations, I use a citation generator, and I'll just paste it in here. You want double spaced, and you also want it in alphabetical order. So just highlight it. Under the Home tab, alphabetical, and you want ascending. And it is based on the author's last name. In this video, we talked about headings 1, 2, and 3 and how to set up, and the reference page and how to set up. Thank you for watching. Please check out my other videos, and see you soon.